Hey guys, so today I'll be making Jamaican style Toto cake, aka coconut cake. So let's get started. First, you're going to need coconut milk. Please get the one in the can and not in the box. This is my rum that's been soaking overnight in my coconut liqueur, my Amsterdam. I call it liqueur, but hey, it is what it is. Over here, you're going to need some coconut flakes. You guys know they come longer strings in the unsweetened coconut bag. So I put it in a food processor and I blitzed it down so it could be smaller pieces. In this cup right here, I have 2 eggs and my vanilla ready to go. I'm trying to cut down on time, y'all. In this bowl here, we have flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and that's just basically ready to go. Those are my dry ingredients. Over here, you have brown sugar and regular sugar. And back here, you have an entire stick of melted butter. First, you want to add your melted butter to your sugars. Mix that up. Next, you want to add your eggs and your vanilla. You want to mix that up really, really well. Make sure you do your heavy mixing at this point. Once we add the flour, we can't mix as much. It should look just like this, like caramel, silky, ready to go. Next, you want to add your entire can of coconut milk. Y'all, this cake is super easy. You can't mess it up. You cannot mess up this cake. Next, you want to toss your flour mixture, get everything nice and combined. Then you want to add your coconut and combine that as well. And make sure you get it all up in there. It smells great already. Next, you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And of course, you want to mix that really, really well. Alright, so this is what the texture of your batter should be, so please do not be alarmed. It's going to be thick. Next, you want to add your raisins and the liquor, everybody, down into the bowl. You want to gently mix this in together. Next, you want to add your batter to a greased pan, just like this. You want to tap it on your countertop to make sure it's even on the bottom, no air pockets. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While your cake is in the oven, in the same pot that I melted my butter, I added some sugar. Then I'm going to add some more of my liquor down in here. You want to reduce this to a syrup for about 3 minutes. So once the cake is out the oven and still nice and hot, I have my parchment paper and my aluminum foil and my syrup. You're going to pour this over the cake and brush it immediately out of the oven. The reason why I'm covering the cake is because I want the cake to sweat so that it can just become soft and moist and just delicious. Man, y'all, this cake your house is just gonna smell amazing. So this is what it looks like. You remember earlier when it looked like hard and rough, but because we covered it so it could sweat, and then on top of that the syrup, it just got real soft and moist and just pretty. It smells amazing. It smells just like back home. I hope you guys give this cake recipe a try, and yeah, let me know what y'all think. Y'all, look how perfect this cake is. It's my first time making it too. Perfect. Yummy. I hope you guys give this cake a try. Our version of coconut cake. See you guys next time on my next video. Bye.